Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to give you guys a quick TA analysis on what AMC is looking like and what seems to be playing out. Immediately, just on the, I'd say not really on the bigger time frame, but on the hour, it does look like we're looking at two double tops. But I don't really look at double tops, and unless it actually shows up on the day, right? It doesn't really look like we have a double top on the day. And so, I mean, even right now, looking at it on the hour, it doesn't matter. I don't think this would even matter at all. It's too small of a time frame to really care about it, you know. Um, but like I did tell you guys last time, we do have a price gap around this mark, around the what, from like 30 bucks up to 35, which is a pretty, it's like a what, 5-10% price gap right here. So this is still something to be pretty wary about. The fact that right now I mean, we haven't even started the heavy sell off yet. The day chart still hasn't even, completely gone to the downside, right? So I am expecting another sell off on AMC. On the 4 hour, we're still selling off. We actually created tops on on the stochastic, but looking at this short term or shorter term, I wouldn't be surprised if we see another move up to the upside, probably like another where we hit 60 bucks again, right? Last time we actually did this, we actually went from lows of 47 to highs of 68. So a full 20 plus price movement up, right? So at $52, I mean, I would not be surprised to see AMC back up to like 72 bucks sometime today, to be completely honest. We're about to cross over on the bullish side, and I really want to see how big the push up is, right? Because we can essentially go back up to maybe like $60 and then push down, or we can go to 60 bucks, break it, and then possibly keep going higher. But again, AMC is a complete like wild child, and I have like no idea where it's actually gonna go. But if I had to guess, I would say that short term, it does look like we're headed back up to 60 bucks. After $60, man, I have no clue what's gonna happen. We can either hit $60 and then shoot back down, or hit 60 bucks, pass it, and then possibly keep that momentum going and pass previous highs, to be completely honest. Or at least retest previous highs of like 73 bucks. For the calls that I was holding yesterday, the YOLO update, for the YOLO on AMC, I actually sold out. I think I took instead of, I didn't cash out at like 100%. I know I was up like 2 grand at one point. I didn't cash out then. I actually cashed out on the way down, and I only made like 300 bucks. Again, not a loss, but again, I only made like $300. Still happy about the move, still happy I did it, but yeah, that's why I don't recommend YOLO plays. That's why I don't recommend it. I don't stand by YOLO plays. That was just something that I did because, fuck it. What if it actually runs to like 70 plus? I do a quick cash out and I'm done, right? But yeah, just a quick update on that. And also for, like I said, right now, I do think AMC is headed back up to 60 bucks, possibly higher, or again, after 60 bucks, I have no clue what's going to happen. We can either hit $60, completely crash all the way down, or hit 60 bucks and then trail up. But as of right now, yeah, I do think we're headed back up to $60. I'll see you guys later.